Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the essentials: an active Google Ads account, billing set, and a crawlable website so the system can index your pages. Once done, create a new campaign and choose dynamic search ads as the campaign type. Set your daily budget and select a bid strategy that matches your goals. Make sure you either upload a site feed or rely on auto-targeting, and label high-value landing pages with clear H1s and meta descriptions to guide ad generation. Next, you configure targeting and creative controls. Choose between auto-targets for broad reach, page feeds for precision, or category targets to focus on product groups. Prioritize high-converting pages. Then craft dynamic descriptions that include one clear call to action and two customer benefits so headlines autofill correctly. Once that's in place, add negative keywords, adjust device bid modifiers, and set an ad schedule. Make sure to test 2 to 4 ad variations to measure. To finish, you shift into optimization mode. Monitor search term reports daily, add negative keywords, and refine page feeds weekly so the system learns. Once conversions appear, align bids to ROAS or your KPI targets and use automated rules to scale winners. Make sure conversion tracking is accurate. Without it, you can't optimize effectively. If things go wrong, like low impressions, check that pages are indexed, broaden your dynamic targets slightly, and increase bids to regain traffic and learn faster.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.